Guys, welcome back to CrossFit Garage. So I know how much y'all love your unboxings. So today my 4-link showed up, and I know I said in my past videos, if you haven't watched them, watch them. But I had forgotten where I ordered this from, and I ordered it from airslamit.com. I don't know what brand it is. I honestly forgot what brand I bought. But we're about to find out. We're going to check it out, see what's all in the package. I can't really give a review of it yet because I haven't installed it, but we can take a look at the components, see how they look. Alright, so this bag, we got some hardware and we got our airbags. So the airbags, let's pull them out here. So we got 5 inches. Let's cut one of these open. Now, from what I remember, I think these are 9 inches once they're fully, blown up. So fully compressed, they're supposed to be about 3 inches, and they're 3 inches fully compressed. So I believe that they're 9 inches when they're fully blown up. So this was a kit that I ordered. Came with the airbags along with a 4-link kit. So it's a triangulated 4-link, it's not a parallel. In case you didn't catch that by me saying triangulated, that's not parallel. I will say that this is packaged really good. I did read a lot of reviews with people saying the packaging sucked. It showed up and it was busted out of the cardboard and stuff like that. This showed up fine. It seemed to be packed really well. We got another bag of hardware. Oh, we got a sticker, so we'll put that to good use. And a card. If you're interested, there they are, airslamit.com. I want to say that this kit cost me right around $400. I can't remember. I want to say $400. But I looked at a lot of different ones, and there was a reason I chose this one. I don't remember what that reason was, but there was something about this one that I happen to like. Now these airbags, they're Airmaxxx. So I'm guessing that's the brand of all of the equipment here. That's pretty nice. So it is 4.5 millimeters, or an 1/8 inch for those of you that are refusing to learn the metric system. Now, these welds look really nice on this. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but those welds look really nice. Those do appear to be TIG welded. So I'm happy with that. I know that I was reading a lot of the reviews on different ones, and people were saying that the welds were absolute junk. They were re-welding them when they got them. These welds, again, if you take a look at the back side there, I mean, these are TIG welded and they look wonderful. So yeah, so far I'm really happy. So we got 2 of these. You know what, I don't know where this stuff goes yet. These, I believe, mount on the side of the frame. These are, I'm guessing, mandrel bent, or just cut out of some tubing. I don't know what's going on with them, but there's no welds on these. They're just solid steel. These little pieces, you know what? What's this for, guys? Y'all tell me. I don't know. I'll figure it out at some point. And it looks like we got 4 of these little tabs, which these are the tabs that would mount on your rear axle, 2 on each side. And then we got more hardware, and I mean, this is beefy hardware with nylon locks. So it's 15 millimeters. Oh, let's see. Well, so we got 8 of those, which makes sense because that's how many we'll need. I believe these are for shocks, for mounting shocks. I'm not sure. Again, you know, but it's a universal kit, so you kind of, you know, do what you want to do with it. It's kind of the thing. So some of the stuff you may not use, you know, you might wind up making your own brackets, which I believe I might do. I don't know yet. I haven't gotten that far. So, but these all look nice. Oh wow, okay, so these are your bag mounts. Again, that's going to be 1/8 inch. And so you got the one to mount to your frame, and then this one to mount to your axle. And these are all bent, they're not welded. So you got 2 of each of these in here. Really nice. They got a nice coating on them. I'm not sure what that is. It's something I'm going to have to grind off the weld. But anyway, it kept them from rusting in the process. Anyway, so these 4 link bars should all be the same length. I believe they were 24 inches. These are nice and heavy, I will say that. I mean, these probably weigh a good 5 pounds each. Let's see, let's turn them all the way in. That one's right here. So, turned all the way in. From center to center on the bushings are 24 inches. Turned all the way in. I'm not sure how much room we have to go out. Let's figure that out real quick. So on this one, I pulled it all the way out. And I've only got about 4 threads inside the actual bar itself. Now, I wouldn't personally run it like that. This bolt that goes in, it's 18 millimeters, so it's pretty thick. But I mean, you know, let's not be dumb here, guys. Let's, you know, you want more thread than that. But center to center, all the way out, I've got 27 inches. So there's a gain of 3 inches. Possible. I'm dropping stuff again. But yeah, so there's a gain of 3 inches possible if you... How does this go in? I don't even know. Is it a reverse thread? Probably. Yes. Anyway, there's a gain of 3 inches. I probably wouldn't go for that. You know, I would think safely you could go with a gain of maybe 2 inches on it. I probably wouldn't thread them out much more than that. 1.5 inches on each side. You know what, as a matter of fact, let's find out how long these bolts are. So they're about 1 7/8 inches or 47 millimeters. Depending on which one you like. I don't know. What are you? Do you like the metric system? Do you like the really hard to understand English? You know, because we make everything difficult here in America. Anyway. Those do seem like they're pretty well threaded. They spin in there pretty easy. I'm just, you know. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you the weld on this joint here. It's really nice. It's TIG welded as well. And it looks like the bar itself is powder coated. Yeah, it's definitely powder coated. It comes with the bushings. The bushing size on that is, so it is 5/8. You have a 5/8 hole here. Well, we knew that because we measured the bolts, didn't we? Anyway. Yeah, so this is going to be, I think, a great addition to the project that I'm working on. If you haven't checked out my channel yet, you know, check it out, because we're getting ready to throw this on a 62 Willys that we picked up today, a rear end out of a Mustang. So we're going to throw that all in there. Yeah, so I'm going to get started on that this week, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about this, drop it down in the comments. Yeah, like I say, I'm looking at it for the first time with you guys right here, right now. So I can't say one way or the other if this is a good product or not, but from what I can tell, everything seems to be really good quality. And this is the Airmaxxx kit, Airmaxxx triangulated 4-link kit. I'll drop a link down in the description to it. And yeah, so like I say, I think it was around 400 bucks, and we're gonna see how she does. So anyway, it's just kind of a little bonus video that I was, because people like their unboxings. You know, y'all like your unboxings, and I get it. So I don't normally unbox stuff without doing some sort of review on it, but I can't review it until I use it, and I won't be using it for a bit. I'm going to be installing it this week though. So this week, or over the next couple weeks probably. I'm going to be installing it. So check out my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, do all that. You know, it's just so much fun to comment on there. Especially, I love people to get on there and comment and tell me how stupid I am. It's awesome. Feel free to do it. You know, my mom tears me up in the comment section. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Love you guys, and y'all stay awesome. Bye.